So I think that something big is happening in the crypto market in the sense of manipulation. And I don't tend to, blame manipulation or anything like that. But what they're doing is they're manipulating you into thinking something is happening that isn't happening. Right now, a lot of people are convinced that, ADA isn't going to do well and that we're falling into a bear market cycle and you need to get out. And what that means is that they're winning. You're giving into exactly something that has been tracked market cycle after market cycle after market cycle. It plays out the exact same way. And guess what? If you are bearish right now, you are in fact falling for it. And I want to show you guys exactly some signs of this. If you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. So often I will see these negative comments and this bearish sentiment surrounding ADA, people saying that ADA's, not going to do well. It's not going to hit a new all-time high, stuff like that. And I ask people, yeah, what data do you have that supports that? Why are you saying this? Are you doing this based off of sentiment, or do you have some factual information that shows this? And they always go silent. They don't have any data that shows what they're trying to sell you, right? And that's not surprising because so many people get sucked into emotion during this time and they're manipulating you into feeling those emotions. In fact, the data right now shows the exact opposite thing is taking place. It's showing that we've done what we're historically doing. Yes, some things are slightly different. Obviously, the introduction of institutional money has caused BTC to do some things it doesn't historically do. Obviously, that's drawn some interest away from Ethereum. So ETH has been having trouble finding its bottom versus BTC. Yes, all those things are in fact there. But when we look at, for example, total 2, total 3, and the total overall in terms of market cap, we're doing what we've always done. It's not an uncommon thing. I've showed these charts in other videos, so I won't get too much into that because my last video got super long. But what I want to show you is right now, there is so much capital sitting on the sideline in the crypto market, and it's waiting. All right. This has been the case since the start of December. We saw some capital start to flow in from basically the start of October till the start of December, and it's gone flat. And what we're doing right now is we're waiting for the exact same thing that happened back here in 2020 into 2021. And this was this extension down in terms of USDT dominance. Guys, this can be tracked, right? And this can be tracked cycle after cycle after cycle, whatever. We won't get too much into that, right? But this is where we're at right now. We're kind of in a little bit of chop right up in these ranges. It's going to look kind of wonky here, but we're in this chop in a little bit of these ranges here before we have our next extension down. And if you guys remember, finally USDT dominance started to level out around, January through April. And that's because there was in fact new capital entering the space. So USDT supply was actually on the rise. All right. Now we haven't really seen that yet. And what we're waiting for is just that excitement from outside the space to start hitting. But this is doing what it historically does. People are parking capital waiting for the next burst in the crypto market. All right. If what people were saying was true, we'd see either a huge spike in USDT dominance, or we'd see capital leaving the market altogether. And that's not happening. All right. So the confidence is still there. The excitement is still there. The embrace is still there. And in fact, right now, when we look at something like the ADA chart, what we're doing is we're following the psychology of a market cycle. All right. I know I've referenced this before, but guys, what we did was we actually climbed up and we fell into the disbelief phase, right? People saying, oh yeah, this rally is going to fail like the rest of them. We're not going anywhere, right? That was this guy right here. Oh, yep. ADA back at 30 cents. We failed. It's not going anywhere, right? Then we had our next big boom, consolidation down. When we look at the psychology of market cycle, hope. Have some more people more optimistic. Yes, ADA reached $1.33, looking good, prepping for the next leg. We are in currently, guys, this right here is a bear trap. All right. So what they are doing right now is they are manipulating people into thinking that the market's going to fall down, that we're going to enter a bear market, that we're not going to make this next leg up. It's over. We're going to fail. Negative sentiment from, the economy standpoint, it's not going to move the markets. But then people get surprised when we get this next extension here, which is our wave, the continuation of our wave 3, right? This is what brings us to those highs in sometime in March, April, May. All right. Guys, this isn't an uncommon thing. And I don't want to obviously repeat myself time and time again, but I know there are a lot of new people on the channel. There's a lot of people that are in crypto that are newer, that don't understand what's going on right now. It's all to shake you out of your position. If this wasn't the case, you wouldn't see huge entities accumulating. You wouldn't see whales building position. You wouldn't see institutional money adding to their portfolios, which again, yesterday was an adding day for both spot Bitcoin and spot Ethereum ETFs. You wouldn't see World Liberty Financial picking up assets in a big way. You wouldn't see MicroStrategy continue to buy in the way that they are, who have now actually rebranded to Strategy, by the way. So guys, it's all a game. And right now, if you're flipping bearish, if you're unloading your positions, you're losing the game. Now, people can do what they want, right? I don't really care. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not your therapist or anything like that. I'm just here to give you the data that I'm seeing in the charts, and it's all the same. Nothing has really changed. The market cycles are doing the exact same thing as always. And again, I'm not going to let this video get too long, but you should be excited because we are moving into mass adoption. We are moving into institutional embrace. We are moving into enterprise embrace. We are moving into government embrace. Those things alone are going to accelerate mass adoption even faster. Understand that when those entities get in, they're going to start marketing to retail. They're going to start pushing retail. I bet you at the Super Bowl this weekend, we probably see 3, 4, 5 spot ETF commercials. Just wait, right? We're talking 4 days away. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 4 days away. And we're probably going to see it marketed to a huge audience at a perfect time in the market, right when people are about to get capital into their pockets from tax season, right when we're about to get down to the gloomy time in winter and start to get into the more exciting time in spring. It's all the same. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. Don't fall for the bear trap. Don't get convinced that things are bearish because frankly, they're not. Have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.